So here we are at Strathroy Antique Mall, and I just wanted to share with you our building. It's a large building. It's located at 39 Front Street East. And we have added into this section liquidation outlet. It's got brand names, surplus, bedding, furniture, appliance, clothes. We're getting barbecues in this week. Brand name shoes. But it's a little confusing. You come in to our front door, which is the Strathroy Antique Mall. Many malls have two stores. And you come in the front and you go to the right. It just opened, it's just getting filled. And it's over here. So it's got its open sign and it's being filled. And it's filled full of discount items and liquidation. Like for example, this power pressure cooker, it's a large one. We've been selling them for $50. If you have never had a pressure cooker, they're amazing. You just put all your food in there, put the lid on, pull it tight, plug it in, do your settings, and it cooks for you potatoes and carrots in like 10 minutes. So this is our last one. It's $50, and if you go and look, they're over 100 everywhere. Some of these are returns or they've been refurbished, but they're all good values, like this Shark Professional vacuum. Its regular price is depends where you're looking, like Walmart or up, $266 to $329. Our price is $149. We got another one here. This is $149, the wood tunnel. Its regular price is $279. This here, I don't even know why we have it. And it's an air conditioner. I'm sure people don't know what it is, but it's our last one, so we left it like this. But its regular price is $6.99. We're $3.49. Good value. It's actually got 14,000 BTUs, Wi-Fi you can use to set it. It's complete, it works. It was like a pull off the shelves. It's a good name. But I'll start going through items more as I show you the store. So it started out this way. We got a bunch of sporting stuff. We're still filling and there's still orders coming in. These are toys. These are all more expensive toys though. They're like $100 box lots, but stuff's still coming in. We got all our luggage. It's pretty well 100 a piece. These are all sold. We had a few freezers, they sold quick. This little air conditioner must have sold, and a fridge sold. They don't last long. It's priced to go out the door. Like these chairs, all four, $225. This table, it's very retro, so it could actually go into the antique mall part, but anyhow, it's regular $379, it's $245. We got the pair of these chairs, they're recliners. Their regular price is $510, ours is $299. Our lot sold over here, this was full. These are $97.99 each for brand new bar style stools. That clock's regular $171's $100. This bed is a good value. It's been up and set up, but I shouldn't be going through it all, but anyhow, it's $155 for a full metal queen with the bars for the bottom. It's regular $295. We got a bunch of Wayfair furniture. We got sinks, chairs, like stool woods. This is only $200 for this office chair. Like, I just can't see any of this stuff lasting too long. The price is right. Everything's priced to go out. Especially $163.99 for this barrel chair. That's half the price retail. And there's a pair. There's all kinds of chairs. We got this bar style. These chairs are amazing too. Here's a stand for $145. We got some linen, a pub bar, and the biggest crystal chandelier ever. If you need it in a big dining room or hallway. And we have Sears bedding. It's 40% off retail. This queen's $50. There's double queen like duvets, kings, $60. Blankets for $25. Canon. It's all names. It's good. So, lots coming. Lots getting set up. So this is in the Strathroy Antique Mall. A lot of people come in and they're really not looking for old. Here's a dehumidifier, $149, regular $269. So this works foreign, or a lot of people have sold their collection, but they still like coming out and looking and spending the day, having a meal in Strathroy. But in the same sense, they use all these things, like the linens and pressure cookers. So we'll see you here. It's 39 Front Street East. We're open 10 to 5. And we're open. New items coming in daily.